Men's. Good afternoon. Well, quite a divide across the country. To the north, fairly dry and bright actually, but there's still the remnants of some fog across the Vale of Yorkshire. Further south though, we're watching thickening bands of cloud and rain push in, and you can see that even overnight tonight that rain is continuing its journey a little bit further north and east. Under that cloud cover we're probably looking at temperatures falling away no lower than 8 or 9 degrees. Further north, the clearer skies allowing the heat to escape, possibly a touch of frost for Northern Ireland and Scotland in patches. But for tomorrow, well, it's really that area of low pressure that we're watching. Very vigorous, a lot of rainfall, possibly some surface water during rush hour and very strong winds, but certainly drier and brighter prospect to the north.